Hey, what's going on out there, Utopia? This is 240pv2, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix your red light problem right here. What? When I turn it on, it turns on for half a second, and it turns red. So I'm going to teach you how to fix that. So what you're going to do, this is my remedy. I found this out. So you're going to want to unplug every little part of your power box. Then just blow in this. Then blow in this too. And then blow in these little holes as well. And then, you're gonna wanna, when you start it up, push one of these buttons. Don't push the start button. Push the eject button. Okay. So I'm gonna plug it in. Plug everything in real quick. And see if it works. Make sure you turn on your TV first, because that might affect it as well. And then push the eject button. And my eject button is broken at this time, but it worked, and hope it works for you too.